Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you an incredible trending idea on Shopify that I think you could capitalize on literally after you're done watching this video. But make sure that you watch this entire video. Otherwise, you may be missing out on some key information here that will certainly help you. So, what I'm talking about is this product right here that I'm looking at. It's an Empress and Aura stone duo. It's a geisha. I think that's what these things are called. In the Akemi Lab community, which just real quick, I do want to explain this. We give you intelligence, and really myself as well. I take a lot of inspiration from the Akemi Lab. It's my favorite community ever. But we just posted this body geisha thingy right here, right? It's the trend and the explanation behind it. So these have been something that people use for their face. It's a very popular product. But now the body ones are starting to become more trending, something along these lines. And this company right here is actually doing about $250,000 a month through these types of products. Now, they sell a bunch of different ones, not just one. They even have a scalp one. But this is an incredible example for a brand that most people would not really think about. And, they created an entire business out of geishas, or I'm sorry if I'm mispronouncing that. Truly apologize, but this is a beautiful brand. I mean, I think they're doing everything right. So here's some things that you need to keep in mind. Obviously, the product and idea is amazing. This is Shop Hunter, by the way. That's what's really cool about it. They have an explore feature where you can actually just type any product or idea, and this is probably the best way to use some of the data in the Akemi Lab Mastermind. So this is a good video for the lab members as well, so that you understand how to use the data. Some people have been asking me if there's going to be any discounts for the community. There is not any discounts right now, but something you need to know is that you can actually pay in installments, as you see right here. We have Shop Pay enabled on the store, so you can do installments. But let me show you all the different marketing things that this company is doing, because it's super, super impressive. They have all social media pages here, right? TikTok, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram, even YouTube, which a lot of businesses don't do. And it always shocks me because YouTube is such a powerful marketing tool and also just a great way to harbor a community. But then they also have an affiliate program and a refer a friend program. So this is just for customers that don't want to be an affiliate, but they want to show their friends the products and they want to earn money while doing so. It's very clever. So they have, social media, they're running ads, they have an affiliate program and a refer a friend program. That is so many incredible things that will continuously make the brand get more sales, acquire customers at a lower cost, and continue to grow. Now, this is some amazing stuff if you're already a business. If you're one of our clients at Akemi, this is stuff that you got to be writing down as well. But they also have a quiz. This is really, really good. This is actually, quizzes are incredible ways to gather data on your customers, to convince people to buy your products, to help them find the right products. But not just that, they're also incredible ways to build subscribers for your email list, which is so undervalued in e-commerce. A lot of people know outside of e-commerce about the power of newsletters. So I'm talking about in general entrepreneurship, which we do talk about a bit on the channel, and I do want to talk more about general entrepreneurship, not just e-commerce, because the more you do that, the more you realize all the little things that e-commerce entrepreneurs are missing out on. One of those things being building a newsletter. A newsletter is literally an owned audience, right? So you don't have to rely on algorithms or anything of that nature to communicate with your audience. It's actually super powerful. And just so you know, we do send out a newsletter at Akemi Lab every Thursday with incredible tips and insights. It's pretty cool. You should check that out as well. But truly, I find this store very inspirational. A $77 average order value. It's hard to lose when you have an average order value that's higher than most stores. A lot of people try to make these, $15, $20 products work with paid media. It's not going to work out. I mean, it could work out if you have some sort of incredible untapped market, but more often than not, you need a little bit of margin to work with if you really want to scale with ads. And this brand is a perfect example of how you can do that. Now, what we can do here to go a step further is go to the ad library and see all the different ads that they're running. And to no one's surprise, They are running over 50 different ad creatives for all sorts of products. They have UGC content, they have carousels with testimonials on them. This is a really good ad format right here. Just literally images in a carousel with some reviews. Super good for retargeting. They have an ad for their quiz. So this is like a lead generation ad, which I absolutely love for an e-commerce store. Like I was saying, if you can mix these different marketing ideas from different business models outside of e-commerce, like lead generation, you can have a huge edge over your competitors, right? So if you can actually collect leads for your e-commerce business, you might have a really solid marketing edge over your competitors. We've done this before at the Academy agency for clients, where we knew, for example, that each email subscriber they got was valued at about $1.70 or something. And we were able to collect leads for this email list at under $1. So that's a very scalable model, right? And it's something a lot of people don't really ever think about, but it's stuff that you can do. Now, they even have UGC and carousel ads put together. So that's also a very good ad format right here. You have your UGC, that's the first carousel, just kind of explaining the product, and then a couple more images just showing the product in a more professional setting. I really love that. So many types of ads, they are killing it, and not shocked that they're doing so well. But that's really it for this video. I found this store very inspirational, and I found this idea really good right now, especially considering that even though it's competitive, these like face geishas are quite popular. Just simply going for a body one or a scalp one, just that alone is a great way to innovate in the space. And competition, again, is not always a bad thing. In fact, it's a good thing because it shows that there's a lot of demand for that particular idea. But that's really about it for this one. I really hope that you enjoyed it. Check out all of our links in the description and write me a comment if you have any questions or suggestions about anything. I would love to answer them, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.